how to add a video in your Google Slides presentation. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. I have opened up a blank Google Slides document or a presentation with single slide. So in order to add a video, I need to click this insert, and in the drop down menu I will see the option of a video, fourth in sequence. Just click on that, and the next screen you will see three options. You can either search for a YouTube to add a video from the YouTube into your Google Slides, or if you know the URL of your YouTube video, you can paste it here and that video you can insert it, or else you have to insert the video from the Google Drive. Unfortunately, till now the Google Slides does not allow you to add a video from the internet other than the YouTube. So you can either search the YouTube, and from the search results you can click on any of the video that you want to insert, or else if you know the URL of the video you can just paste it here, or you have to upload or get your video from the Google Drive. So the question that might be bothering you, that is it possible to add a video from your laptop into the Google Slides? The answer is no. You have to upload your video either onto YouTube, or else you have to upload it in Google Drive, and from there you can add the video into your presentations. The most probable reason that I can think of why the Google has done it in this way, since the Google Slides work in the cloud, and you can share the Google Slide presentations with other people and with your team members. So in case they want to access that video has to be available within the cloud, either in the YouTube or in Google Drive, so it can run from within the internet. So in case you add a video from your computer, that computer video will not be uploaded into the Google Slides. Rather, only from your laptop this video can be played within the Google Slides. Anybody else with whom you've shared your presentation wants to run that video within the Google Slides, it will not run, since that video is not available online. So that is the reason that you have to upload a video on YouTube or in your Google Drive, and then you can go to the insert, and from here you can add your video within the Google Slides.